Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Cruising is about sun-soaked destinations and endless buffets. But what if I told you there's an experience so emotional and unique on Princess Cruises that you'll never find it listed in the Princess Patter? While you're sipping on that pina colada, torn between securing your spot in the sanctuary or satisfying your pizza cravings at Alfredo's. Because, let's face it, good pizza is its own kind of sanctuary. Princess Cruises is quietly offering something truly unparalleled. A tribute service, elegantly crafted to touch the very essence of the soul. It's an opportunity for passengers to honor their beloved in the vast and comforting embrace of the ocean. A delicate dance, merging cherished memories with the timeless rhythm of the sea. Now, before you wonder if this requires a special kind of maritime magic or a compass that points to the heart, let me guide you through the process of this complimentary service. If the idea resonates with you, it all starts with a simple email to Ash's request at princesscruises.com. Provide your booking details and the name of the departed so that the ship can prepare a special letter for your tribute. Oh, and don't forget to pack that letter along with proof that your urn is biodegradable and suitable for a water burial when you come aboard. This dedicated team with Princess handles each request with the utmost care, ensuring that this intimate journey is both memorable and heartfelt. All right, let's move on to the specifics. Of course, in these modern times, we're all about going green, and I don't mean seasick. Ashes need to be in a biodegradable urn, and just a heads up, due to the unpredictable winds, the urn should remain sealed, ensuring Aunt Gertrude doesn't make any surprise appearances on the Lido deck. As for the exact location, while the stunning backdrop of Alaskan waters might be your first choice, they remain a no-no and untouched for this tribute. They've got enough chill already. The tribute needs to be at least 12 nautical miles from the baseline, strictly in international waters. And speaking of details, while flowers add a poetic touch, depending on the geographical location of the ceremony, they might be a yes or a no. It's the officers on board who call the shots here based on various factors. Are you considering elevating the moment with a dash of nature's flair? While you might be tempted to bring your own blooms, the onboard pest patrol suggests otherwise. The ship might offer eco-friendly flowers for purchase. And remember, as eco-conscious as we are, only biodegradable items are allowed to be spread overboard. So, those paper cards or any other non-biodegradable mementos, they stay with you. A tiny but important detail. While the crew is there to support and guide you, the transfer of ashes into the urn is a personal responsibility. Once everything's in place, a crew member will guide you to the perfect spot, ensuring your tribute is as intimate and private as it should be. One last thing, if you were thinking about a similar tribute at Princess Lodges or during cruise tours, it's a no-go. And while we're on the topic of what's not on the menu, services for spreading pet ashes aren't available. Cruising goes beyond sun-soaked destinations. It's truly a voyage of remembrance, celebration, and love. This hidden gem aboard might be news to many cruisers. Was it to you? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.